Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to create your account on Cara art and social application. So first of all, you have to download and install it in your device from Google Play Store and App Store, and then you can see this app. So just simply tap on your app. So it takes some moment to loading the interface. So you can see this is the option. So in sign in option, you need to tap on the sign up, and they say it to available update. So I'm just going to tap the confirm, then tap on the sign up button. Then you can sign up three ways, like sign up with Google is really easy, sign up with Apple, and sign up with email. You have to tap on the email. So this time I'm just going to sign up with the Google. It's really easy. So I just continue with my Gmail, and it's please wait, processing your request. So it's loading. So when it's okay, then you'll see the next step. So then you can see it's login email, and then you have to input some information here, like your display name, your username, your bio, so something. So I'm just going to give my display name. Like I can say, it's like you can give your display name. And username, it will be unique. So this one I'm just going to this, and bio optional, I'll give it later, you can give now. And default view on your portfolio, so it's portfolio, like people see your portfolio. And invite code, it's optional, and tap on the check mark and save. So it's initialing, just wait to get the interface. So now after all this thing, you will get your interface like this. So it's now, you can see it's now on the newsfeed. So I'll create more video how to use this application in upcoming tutorial. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.